How to make a healthy low-calorie carrot cake. Follow me. We add 2 shredded carrots to the bowl, followed by walnuts and dates, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1.5 cups of oats, 0 calorie sugar, 1/2 cup maple syrup, 2 eggs, in the microwave for 5 minutes. For our topping, we add 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt, 2 packs of sweetened loaf. First bite, this bite. Fire.